Finally, we've made some progress. We got running water in Grace. Pump automatically shuts off. Got the hot water heater. 120 box mounted. The wires ran all the way over and down to that. It's right down there. It's got to connect it to the fuse box. I forgot to Teflon tape those two. Got ahead of myself. I'm not so sure if this hose is going to work or not. I had a couple small leaks. It leaked here. Forgot to hose clamp 3 of those and they blew off, so I've had a little shower going here. But I'm excited. We got water. Sweet.